Alright, what's up, people? It's just Fever Air today. I'm just gonna let y'all know something like just add Fever Air, it will be in the description, or Fever Blessing, his name will be in the description. We need more people to try out. We need people with HD PVRs. We need editors. We need people who do intros. Practically, we need a lot of people and more. We need more people and more people that can do better stuff. You know, just all the other things. Right? Like everything will be in the description. If you want it, just like do whatever and figure it out. I might do like something different to get like more video views, more subscribers. I don't know. I'll think of it some other way. Alright, just add it in the description. Like, share, favorite, all the others. Subscribe. That's one thing. Alright.